Hello and welcome to Timmy Stand again for an unboxing of a 2022 Hot Wheels. Today we have a 70 Chevelle SS Wagon. SS meaning Super Sport, of course. It's one of the HW Wagons. Hot Wheels Wagons number 1 of 5 and number 111 of 250 on the year. Very red. The whole family can road trip in these spacious wagons. 2021 copyright. I believe the Wagons series is a 2022 first. That's just my own belief. I don't know. I didn't research anything. I never do. Until after the video, actually. Everything is raw. I want to check it out the way you check it out. With the hood locks. It's always cool. I know I opened up a flaming gray one not too long ago. I think it was the same casting. Very sweet, very sweet. See how it rolls. Oh, here's the one I'm talking about. It is the same casting. Nice. Oh, there's some sand and stuff. That's because the neighborhood cat was just up here visiting us. It is a straight roller. Yeah. Ooh. Roll over off the track. Get on there. Oh. Oh. Alright, that's enough of that. How's the drifting ability? Back it up. Oh. Yeah, I like this. That's perfect. Strike a pose type car. Whoop. Yeah. Alright, so we forgot to roll all the wheels, but of course they roll well because we just did it. And all the red that you see is metal. Driving is in there on the left in this Chevy Chevrolet. Plastic bottom, and you guessed it, made in Malaysia. Very cool ride. Thank you everybody that tuned in and checked it out with me. When I opened up a case of 72 Hot Wheels cars, there was only one of these in there, so I had to grab it. I'm glad I did because it adds to my collection, and it really is a nice looking car. Thank you everybody that tuned in. Please subscribe to Timmy Stand again, and until next time, T10 out.